Hi guys, John here. Y'all know me, I'm a tool man. So I wanted to share this with you. This is a leaf blower that I got on Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it up. First off, it comes with these instructions in here. You've got, so you've got your tube here. And actually, it comes with two pieces so you can extend it out. Here's the blower itself, guys. Go ahead and open this up so you can see it. There we go. Now this is a corded type blower. So typically you'd expect a little more power from a corded type blower than you would from a battery operated one. But I do appreciate how small this thing collapses. Look at that. This is gonna have no problem storing in our garage in a small shed. Even if you don't have either of those things, even the top of a closet at your house, guys, this thing folds up so small. It's very nice. We're gonna go ahead and put it to use here in a minute, but I did wanna show you, you have this power switch here, and you've got a little catcher here for your cord. So when you do pipe that extension cord through here, when you thread it through here, it's not gonna pull out thanks to this little guy. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and I'll show you what it looks like.